So you are diving into the world of reverse 1031 exchange, right? Well, here's some good news. Remember that with an EAT, when we establish the EAT, right, we need some kind of agreement. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about that agreement. The IRS had laid out clear rules on how to structure the exchanges. Remember our revenue procedure 2037, that was the key document. And you know what? That's actually a good thing, right? Why? Because it takes away any guesswork, right? And it makes your exchange way more likely to succeed. Now, there's this thing called a Qualified Exchange Accommodation Agreement, short for QEAA. Think of it as your guide through the maze of reverse exchanges. What does a QEAA involve and why it's super important to make your exchange smooth and successful? So this agreement is like a formal agreement between you and the exchange accommodation title holder, the EAT, which helps you do reverse exchange properly. Here what the Qualified Exchange Accommodation Agreement does. First, it shows the IRS that you are serious about following their rules, especially the one in Revenue Procedure 2037. Second, it says that the EAT will hold onto the property that you want to exchange while you're doing the reverse exchange. Third, the EAT takes responsibility for owning the property for tax purposes, making everything clear and official. Fourth, you agree to stick to strict deadline, 45 days and 180 days when the EAT has the property. This helps keep things on track and in line with IRS rules. So in simple terms, the Qualified Exchange Accommodation Agreement helps make sure your reverse exchange goes smoothly, and it shows the IRS that you meet all these rules, right? So I include a sample QEAA at the end of this lesson for your reference. Next, let's look at how to set up a QEAA to make sure you're doing everything by the book. Next up, let's look at financing with your EAT.